Hi, my name is Jessie and I'm the volunteer coordinator for CoastWatch. Today is September 23rd and I am at Haystack Rock in Cannon Beach, Oregon, taking photos to submit to the iNaturalist project CoastWatch Fall Challenge. This is a 10-day BioBlitz that's starting today, and I have been uploading photos to the app from my phone here on the beach, but it can also be done at home. And once I get there back to my computer, I'm going to show you how to not only take photos and upload them to iNaturalist to our project from your phone, but also with our computer. I hope that you will join us starting today for 10 days, September 23rd to October 2nd. Hi, here I am back in my home office after a morning on the beach. I am now going to show you 3 ways that you can participate in this program using your smartphone and using your computer. The first way is opening up the iNaturalist app on your phone and taking a picture while you're in the app and then loading that onto the project. All right, so here's the first example of a method to use using your smartphone to take photos and put them onto iNaturalist. This is a photo of my desktop on my iPhone. And it's going to very quickly go through the process, but the first thing that's going to happen is you're going to click iNaturalist on your phone. So you will have wanted to download this app onto your phone. You're going to click onto the iNaturalist, and then you're going to go into the camera and take a photo with it. And I'm going to show this to you and kind of walk you through it. All right, so the first thing that happens is I click iNaturalist. Down at the bottom, you can see observe and then camera. You're going to take your own photo here. Use photo. And then click, what did you see? View suggestions, something will come up. And I chose sea palms. Sea palms is what it is. And now it's going to sync and bring it up. So I know that happened pretty fast. So we will look at that one more time. Okay, watch closely. Click iNaturalist, click observe down at the bottom, click camera, and then take your photo, use the photo, and then click in what did you see right here. It will automatically come up if they think that they can see it. So I chose sea palm, and then it's waiting. Okay, so that's the first example. All right, so this is the second way that you can participate. In this method, you have already taken photographs and the photographs are on your phone. So let's say that you're at the beach and you don't have any service. And so the iNaturalist app isn't necessarily coming in or working. And so you take photos while you're walking on the beach. Those photos are time-stamped, and there is also a location imprint on those photos if you have allowed that. It's just something that we will talk about. But what we're going to do here is you are going to see that we will open up the app, and then we are going to, instead of take a photo, we are going to grab a photo from our photos, which we have already taken. So watch closely. Again, this goes pretty fast. Okay, so I'm clicking onto the iNaturalist app, and I'm going into photo library. And these are the photos that I took. So at the top left there's what looks like a dead bird, surf scooter. I click on what did you see? And it will come up. And I'm going to choose the first one, I think, which is the white-winged scoter. I'm going to then select white-winged scoter as the choice that I think that dead bird might be. There it is right there. And that's it. All right, so here we are at the third way that you can get photos into the iNaturalist app. The first two ways were with your smartphone, and now I'm going to show you how to do it from your home computer. So you've come home and you have uploaded your photos to your desktop computer or your laptop, and you have saved those either as PNGs or as JPEG. So they have to be in a certain file format. They cannot be in the HEIC file format. So you want to make sure that they have been saved into a format first that iNaturalist will accept. Okay, so here we can see some of my observations from today. Not quite sure why this eelgrass is not showing up. I definitely took a picture, but in any case, here are a number of things I saw this morning at Seaside Cove, including this great mermaid purse. I could not call it a mermaid purse. It just came up as skate, but that's what it is. It is a skate egg case. So here are a number of things that I've already uploaded with my phone this morning. But I am going to show you now how to do this from your computer. So you see this little arrow up here. You're going to click onto that. And then you get this screen. So you can, if you want, you can just drag your photos right into here. I'm going to choose my file. My most recent file is this mole crab here. And so I'm going to put it into there. And then you can see your photo will come up. You can click here into the species name and you're going to see it's loading suggestions. Now it's telling me that this is a sand flea. I know this as a mole crab. Am I seeing that here? I am not seeing that here. So I am just going to click on sand fleas. And then we'll see what experts across iNaturalist tell me. They may say, no, that is, oh, here we go. There we go. Now I'm getting another option. I'm seeing now mole crabs, parentheses, sand fleas. That looks better. So I'm going to choose that one. And so when did I take this photo? Today at about 12:12. That is correct. In Clatsop County. Looks like it's showing somewhere in the middle of the ocean. So I can actually change that. It was high tide. So I'm going to make it a little bit more like that. Okay, I'm going to update my observation. That's something you can't necessarily do on your phone. So some people might think that it's better to actually do this from your computer. So here we are. I'm not going to make any notes in that. I'm not going to click captive or cultivated because this is a wild animal. And that's it. So I am going to submit my observation. And you can see that it's saving my observation now, which is great. And now here it is. It added it to my observations. It's the one at the top. And what's going to happen is because of algorithms, this is going to automatically be added to the CoastWatch Fall BioBlitz Challenge. And so that's something that we can talk about right now too. So let's get in here. I'm going to click on myself here. You can see right at the corner, and I'm going to go down, scroll down here to projects, okay? So here we have all the projects that I belong to, and this is the CoastWatch Fall Challenge. And you are going to see that already that mole crab has shown up. Now, if you haven't joined the project, you want to join the project so that those observations will immediately go into the project. And the way that you can do that, if you haven't joined the project yet, you can just search in here, CoastWatch Fall Challenge 2022. There it comes up. And then if you haven't joined already, there will be an option here. I have joined, but you will see something that says join project, and then you're done. Okay, so I hope that that has been helpful to you and that you are now ready to get out there with your phone or a camera and take photos of the wild birds, flora, fauna, anything wild out there in the tide pools and on the beaches and in the dunes. Between now, September 23rd and October 2nd. There are some exciting prizes. We are giving away a tide log, which is a beautiful year-long book with illustrations by MC Escher, and you will love it. Rather than getting online and looking for the tides, you can just find them right in your beautiful tide book. Please note that while I will be making observations, I will not be eligible to win the tide log because I work for Oregon Shores, but so you will see observations from me, but I am not eligible to win. So please get out there and take some photos, get your observations in, and in a couple of weeks, we will announce a winner. Thank you so much for being a part of this. Bye-bye. Here are some beautiful California blue mussels. These have not been opened yet, pretty heavy. You can see here the beautiful byssal threads. This is what the mussels use to hold on to the rock. You can see these tiny little hold fast type things there. That's where they attach to the rock. And of course, I've also found some marine debris. Here we have some yellow rope, and here we have a plastic tube. May be used for some kind of oyster farming or something like that.